let's check to see if we have leaks, and after that we will make a calibration. Smoke. Let's make a calibration on injector power.